Are you ready to start streaming on Amazon Live, but your associate's account keeps getting denied and you just can't figure out why? Well, I have an answer for you and I'm going to share it with you in this video. Hey, what's going on everybody, and welcome to the channel. My name is Monte Weaver, and if you're brand new here, I help you navigate the world of digital, tech, and social media. And so if you're interested, make sure you subscribe to the channel by clicking on that red subscribe button and clicking the bell to receive an alert every time I upload a brand new video. Today, we are going to talk about getting approved to join the Amazon Live Associates program. Now, if you've had an experience like me, you've probably been denied at least once, and you've tried to figure out what it takes to get approved. And every time you reach out to that Amazon support, that automated system, you just can't get a clear answer on how many subscribers you need or how big your reach needs to be on the internet or social media platforms. And today we have an answer. You all have been generating so much buzz in our Facebook community group and checking out the videos here on YouTube that Amazon has definitely reached out to us so that way we can get some clarification on what it takes to get approved. So if you guys have not heard of Amazon live streaming, make sure you check out the rest of the videos here on the channel. I'm going to link above. That way you can learn more about Amazon Live, because this is an untapped platform, and what we're finding is that people can't even get approved if they want to start live streaming because they simply don't know what it takes to get approved. Now, you don't have to spend any money to start live streaming on Amazon. You just have to have an existing audience. That way Amazon knows that when you talk about products, it's actually worth creating an affiliate account for you to promote products on their platform. So if you're not in our Facebook group, I've already kind of dropped the answer in our Facebook group, so I'll link below this video on how you can get in our free Facebook community and learn more about Amazon Live and get answers and get real-time answers up to date as quick as possible. But now, if you've been like me and you've gotten denied and you're trying to figure out that elusive number, how many people you need on social media, here it is. You're gonna need 2,000 followers on either Twitter or Instagram. That's it. 2,000 followers on either Twitter or Instagram is what you're gonna make sure you put into your application when you submit to join the Amazon Associates account. This is the information that you're gonna need when you apply and submit for the Amazon Associates program. Now, if you have less than these amount of followers on Twitter and Instagram, there is going to be a manual review process, and this could take some time. So your best way to get that quicker response is just to have the 2,000 followers. So I encourage you to increase your follower count on those platforms and do what it takes to grow your following. You know, put out more content, more information, and more value to get people to follow you on your social media platforms. Now, if this information has been beneficial to you, you finally got some clarification, hit the thumbs up on this video. That way you know that it is providing value for you, and I look forward to seeing you in the rest of the videos as we continue to talk about Amazon Live.